Good afternoon, my name is Colin Chalmers. I'm going to be doing a demonstration here at the Powermatic booth. I'm going to be turning a natural edge sycamore bowl today. So I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. All right. So I'm going to just turn round. I'm not wanting to blast right through the bark here, so I'm going to come in this way so it doesn't blow any of the bark off. I'm just going to face it off here, underside. So I've chewed up the top part here, and I've chewed up the face. I'm now going to take 3 cuts on the corner here, just to give me some room so I can adjust my tool rest. All right. Actually, I think we might be too deep. We'll just wait and see though. I'm going to come round here. So that's the underside done, the outside. I'm not going to sand it or anything, it's just going to be straight off the tool. So I've made the tenon shape the bowl. I'm going to reverse it and take it out the inside out. Yeah, this might be better. Yep, that's good. I'm going to turn it down, make sure it's running true. It's running okay. So what I'm going to start doing is just making V cuts in this way and just progressively going out, and then I'll start making some curvature. And the reason why I don't want to do any curvature just now, because I'm not wanting the tool to go directly into end grain and dull my tool, so I'm just going to make peeling cuts straight in like this. And I've got to be right on centre for that, dead on centre. Taking it down a little bit more in the centre. And you might get covered in shavings. So there's a lot of stopping starting on the inside, just make sure that the thickness is correct. Final cuts.
Look at the light coming through it. Wow.
That just made me nervous.
That's a nice, amazing job there, Colin. You could watch the light come through that bowl.
Yeah, it's kind of thin. Right, so I'm about for here, I'm about equal there, so I'm going to have to take it down just a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the bulk in the centre so I can get round a little bit easier. That's okay. A wee bit of vibration. Well, this one can only go round about 2 thirds away, and did you hear it going tuk tuk tuk? Because I'm hitting the rim now, you see. So that's why I go into that one, because it's got a different bevel on it. Just a little bit more. You see it getting ready to hit the back there?
Yeah.
The rim, you'll hear it. There you go, see, that's when it tells me to stop. So this last cut that I'm going to make here, of one of the final cuts, I'm wanting to take that ridge away, so we're going to have to start cutting just before that. You start cutting now. Got a bit of vibration there. A wee bit more yet. So I'm barely touching that bevel, I'm just floating that bevel just as light as I can because of the vibration at the bottom of the bowl. It's touch and go, you know.
Right, right. Yeah.
One mistake, and really for a cut like that, you've got to have sharp tools. You know, the tools have got to be sharp. So this is a negative rake scraper. It's great for taking out some tool marks and whatnot, and just smoothing out the surface and just getting it ready for sanding. So what it is, it's got a bevel on top, and you put a 20-degree bevel on the bottom, and this produces a fine burr on the top, which does all the cutting. But the burr doesn't last long, maybe 15 seconds, and then it's gone. After that, you've got to resharpen it again. Oh. So I'm going to put this in here and use it as a friction drive. I'm going to bring my tail centre up to here, with this little dimple that I made here, and hopefully and pray that it's still running pretty true. It doesn't always work, but 8 times out of 10 it does. So can you see what I'm doing there?
Yep.
Put it in that little hole there. I'm going to bring it up. So I didn't put it up first and then bring this up in case it's sitting squint. So this hopefully takes it straight in there. And
You can only hope.
yeah,
Okay. In theory.
yeah, that's not too bad. That's pretty
Looks good.
So the reason why I put these Dove 10 in here, in this little part here, it just makes it easier for me to blend it in between here, here and here. So in other words, if that wasn't there, it'd be more or less a 90 with a small dovetail on it, and it's a wee bit harder, more difficult to blend in. That idea came from Mike Mahoney. So now I'm just going to blend it in. Just pray for me. So I'm wanting to get under that ridge there so that when I go through it, it disappears. It's a wee bit kind of like that, so we'll try and fix that. Not too bad, I guess. So ideally for this kind of cove here, it would be better with a curved negative rate rather than a straight one with a point on it. Just nice light cut. So what I'm doing now is I'm undercutting the base so that it sits flat. So that's the little bowl, natural edge bowl finished. It was made on the 3520C Powermatic, which is a good sturdy lathe.
Thank you for your amazing talent.
You're welcome, thank you.